Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how I make my Rotel queso dip. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm just going to break that up a little bit. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped onion to that, and 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Give that a stir and let that cook for about 15 minutes or so, or until the meat is nicely brown. I don't know about you, but I have to brown my meat. I feel like if it's not brown, it's not nice, so I have to brown my meat. That's a must in my kitchen. Okay, now that it's all nice and brown, I'm going to add it to my crock pot. To season it, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Give that a stir to mix everything. I like to wait to season the meat in a pot, that way I don't lose any of the seasoning. You know, when you're browning your meat in case you have to drain it, so that's why I like to wait to do it. Next, I'm adding 2 cans of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies to that. I'm adding a whole block of Velveeta cheese and a block of cream cheese. You know this is going to be good. Anything with cream cheese is good in my opinion. Give that a stir to mix everything together. Let this cook for 2 hours on low and stir it halfway through. Would you just look at that? Look how delicious that is. Oh my goodness, it's already looking so nice and creamy. And that's it, you guys. That was so easy to make. This is the perfect thing to have for a game day or anytime you want a nice little snack. But my favorite way to eat it is to put it over some fries and add some fresh tomatoes to it and a little jalapeno. I should have made that into a video instead of this. As you can see, this is really thick, so if you don't want it so thick, you can add some milk to it. You can add a few tablespoons in there and just stir it up, so it's all up to you and how you want it. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for being here. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.